What makes me different from other F&I trainers in the automotive industry? Listen, I love other F&I trainers. I love anybody who teaches F&I, but what makes me different is simply my experience. I don't teach theories. I don't teach what I think works. I teach what I know works. I teach what I've done in the automotive industry. I teach what I've done in the F&I office. I teach my finance managers how I've overcome the hardest objections, how I've gotten through the hardest situations, how I've overcome the hardest circumstances in the finance department to still sell product and generate revenue ethically and transparently and compliantly to my customers. That's what makes me different. The longevity that I've had, the name that I've had. I've got the biggest name in sales training that does business with Shaka Dyson. Why? Because I know exactly what I'm doing. I've been in this business 24 years. Most of it has been in managing dealerships. My dealers are happy, they're more profitable, they're more efficient, they do more business with customers, they sell more products to customers. Their finance managers have a higher skill set because of the experience that I put inside of it. So that's what makes me different from other finance managers. I do it differently. 9 out of 10 finance trainers, well, they're still teaching them menu process. They're still doing menu training. I teach what I've created, something that I've innovated for the finance departments that's more transparent, more customer friendly, that builds an F&I manager skill set and allows them to sell their products more effectively and generate more revenue.